Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile gaming on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to a device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for Secure VPN. So just search for Secure VPN. Now you can see this VPN over here. You have to download this VPN, Secure VPN. It has more than 100 million plus download, so you have to make sure you download this VPN. Now once you have downloaded this VPN, you have to open it. But before you open this VPN, just search for your TikTok. Now if your TikTok application is not updated, you need to make sure you are using the main TikTok but not on TikTok Lite. So you can see this is the main TikTok application, so you need to make sure you update your TikTok application to the latest version over here. Now once you have updated your TikTok to the latest version, all you need to do is to go back and then open your Secure VPN. So just look for Secure VPN. Now you can see over here Secure VPN, so just go ahead and then open your Secure VPN over here. So let me open my Secure VPN. Now once you open this VPN, just wait for it to load, and you can see checking network settings. Now you can see it over here. Just wait for it to load and you can see testing connection speed. Now you can see connect. Just click on connect, and once you click on connect, you can see connected, and you can see the key button at the top there, and you can see it is reading. Now once you have connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to just open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, just scroll down and then look for apps and notifications. So you can see over here apps and notifications. Just open apps and notifications. Now once you click on apps and notifications, you can see application settings depending on the phone that you're using. So this is the option in my phone, but depending on the phone that you're using, you can get app settings. So just click on that. They are all the same. Now once you scroll to where you can see your TikTok, just open your TikTok. Now once you open your TikTok application, all you need to do is to just click on storage and cache over here. And once you click on storage and cache, all you need to do is to clear cache and storage of your TikTok application. Now once you are done with this settings, all you need to do is to just go back and then open your TikTok application. So just open your TikTok application over here. Now once you open your TikTok application, at the down right corner you can see over here profile. Just click on profile. Now once you click on your profile, you can see my profile over here. Now once you click on your profile over here, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Just click on this three lines at the upper right corner, and once you click on the three lines at the upper right corner, you can see settings and privacy. Just click on settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, you can see over here comment and watch history. Just click on this button and once you click on this button, just wait for it to load over here, and you can see all your videos that you have watched over here. So just wait for it to load. Now once you click on comment and watch history, you can see watch history. Just click on the first option which says watch history, and you can see all the videos that you have watched over here. So you can see all the videos that you have watched, and it is consuming your your space or your storage. So just click on select and then delete this videos or this watched videos. So you can see watch history, delete them so that you can get enough storage. Now once you are done with this, just go back and then you can see over here, scroll down to where you can see free up space. Just click on that, and once you click on free up space, just click on clear cache and also storage of your TikTok account. Now once you are done with this, all you need to do is to just go back to your profile. Now once you open your profile, you can see my profile over here. Just click on edit profile, and once you click on edit profile, scroll to where you can see your category. So scroll down, and once you scroll down, you have to make sure you set your TikTok category to gaming over here. So now once you have set your category to gaming, just go back, and then you can see the plus sign in the middle. Just click on this plus sign over here, and once you click on that, you can see, just scroll to where you can see live. Just click on live, and once you click on live over here, you can see gaming. Just set it to mobile gaming, and you can see my mobile gaming option is just here. Just scroll to mobile gaming, and you can see my mobile gaming option is now on. So you can see my mobile gaming over here. Now to choose the kind of game you want to play, you can see at the top there, you can see add topic. Just click on add topic, and you can see the game over here. Just select the type of game you want to play. So depending on the phone that you are using, or depending on the game that you want to play, you have to select your game over here, because some of the games will appear in landscape mode and also others will appear in portrait mode. So you have to select the game that you want to play. So you can see Free Fire, all the games over here. You can see so many games over here. You can see there are so many games. Every game, you can see all the games over here. If your game is not here, just click on other game. You can see other game, which is the last option. So if your game is not here, you can see iRacing, eFootball, every game is here. So but in case your game is not here, just click on other game and then play your game successfully. So you can see my gaming option is now activated over here. So all you need to do is to select the kind of game you want to play. Now once you have selected the game that you want to play, all you need to do is to click on go live, and it will start a screen recording of the game that you play. So once you are done, just go back and then select the game that you want to play over here. So select the game that you want to play, and then your game will be streamed live to your followers or your viewers on TikTok. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,